Hey guys, how's it going? Adrian back with you for another video. So as you can see, I got my 2x8 high wall here. Now if you want to know a quick and easy way to square this without putting two tapes on the diagonal, find a common measurement, I'm going to show you how. So I got my trusty construction master here. So first I'm going to take the width, just under 173, because I always make it a bit smaller. So I got 172 1/4. So let's open this up here. So you type in 172.25. No, sorry, let's try that again. 172.25 inch, and that'll be your run. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Take this measurement. I got 230 1/4. So now we're gonna go 230.25 inch rise. All you gotta do now is push diagonal. So right there, it spits me out this number here, which is 287.55. Push inch, 287 and 9/16. So that's gonna be your number all day to square this. And always, of course, double check it. But if you're working alone, there's one easy way to square, I guess, any wall, not just high walls. There you go. Have a great day, boys. Bye now.